Welcome students to class 3 maths. Students, my name is Sandeep Thomas. I am your mathematics teacher. Students, this is your mathematics textbook, Excellence in Mathematics. This is your mathematics textbook, Excellence in Mathematics. I hope you all have this book. If you don't have, just you go and buy this book. This is your mathematics textbook, Excellence in Mathematics. Okay, students, today let us study some mathematics or multiplication table. Okay, students, here today I am going to teach 4 tables: 8, 9, 10 and 11. These 4 tables I am going to teach you with a simple method. Okay? Okay, let's start. 8th table. Okay, student, draw 5 columns like this. 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 5 columns. Then write 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then we have written here 4. So let's start with 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now we are going to write 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, here 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. This is 8. Table of 8. Table of 8. Okay, 8 table. Table of 8. Okay. Here you can see 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40. Okay, next. Write 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 again. First we have written here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have written like this. Then after that 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, let us look. 6 8s are 48. 7 8s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 9 8s are 72. And 10 8s are 80. It is very easy. First, written like this: 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see this, how simple it is. So students, just to think, mathematics is a very simple subject. Like this, many magics are there in mathematics. Okay, let us have a look in 9 table. Okay, let's go. Okay, 9 into 1, 9 into 2, 9 into 3, 9 into 4, 9 into 5. Okay, here 9 into 6, 9 into 7, 9 into 8, 9 into 9 and 9 into 10. Okay, let's start writing like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See how simple it is. Your 9 table is over. Look at this. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Okay, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, and 9 tens are 90. Look at this. How simple it is. This is very simple. So that's why I am telling mathematics very easy subject. You can study it very easily. Okay, next 10 table. Okay. 1 into 10 is equal to, write 1 here, then 0. Okay, 2 into 10. Write 2 here, then take 0. Write it like this. 3 into 10. Write 3 here, then 0. Then 4 into 10. 4 into 10 is equal to, write 4 here, then 0. Understood? Then 5 into 10. 5 and 0. So students, complete this table. You can write this in your rough copy. No need to write in fair copy. This you must write in rough copy only. Don't write in fair copy. Okay? Complete this table up to 10. Complete this table up to 10. I already written here 5 times 50. Then after that 6 times, 7 times like that. Up to 10 you have to write. Okay? Okay, next. Let's take 11 tables. Okay? 11 table. 1, 11 is equal to 11. Then 2 into 11 is equal to what? Write 2 times 2 here. Like this only. 3 into 11 is equal to, write 3 2 times. Like this you complete this table also. Then one more. 4 into is equal to 4 2 times. First one is 11, 22, 33, 44. So this also just complete this table, student. This you can write in your fair copy. No need to write in. Sorry, this you can write in rough copy. No need to write in fair copy. So listen, students. In this way, we can study mathematics very easily. Okay? That means mathematics is a very simple subject. You can study this very easily. Okay? Students, all of you take textbook. Excellence in mathematics. Then you take page number 10. Page number 10. There you can see what is the first chapter? Numbers up to 10,000. Numbers up to 10,000. You already learned to read and write numbers up to 1,000. That I know in your previous classes, first standard, second standard, nurseries. You have studied how to read and write 3-digit number and 4-digit number also. That means up to 1,000 you studied. Okay, can anyone say what is the largest 2-digit number? What is the largest 2-digit number? What is the largest 2-digit number? Can anyone say what is the largest 2-digit number? You all knowing this, just to think and say what is the largest 2-digit number, that is 99. Okay, then what is the largest 3-digit number? It's very easy, 999. Okay, then what is the largest 1-digit number? That is 9. Understood? Okay, then student, what is digit? What is digit? Digits are a parts of the number. Digits are the parts of the number. Understood? Digits are the parts of the number. And in mathematics, this digit is very important thing. Without digit, there is no mathematics. Understood? So, what is digit? Say all of you, what is digit? Yes, right. Digits are the parts of a number. Okay, there. In 10, how many digits are there? In 10, how many digits are there in 10? Yes, right. In 10, 2 digits are there. And in 100, how many digits are there? In 100, how many digits are there? In 100. In 100, how many digits are there? There is 3 digits are there. Okay. Okay, here in 10, this is 10, so this first digit, second digit. Okay, then write the place value. This one is 0 is in 1 place and 1 is in 10 place. Okay, 0 is in 1 place and 1 is in 10th place. Okay, let's take 100. Here 3 digits are there. So, say what is the place value here? What is the place value here? Here 0 is in 1 column. Then this is in 10th column. And 1 is in 100th column. So, these are the place values. 1, 10, and 100. Okay, one more is there. 1000. Okay, here how many digits are there? We can say how many digits are there in 1000? In 1000 there is 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. So 1, 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. Here this 4 digits, 3 digits, 2 digits. Okay, then one more. Write 1. Here only 1 digit. Okay, 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits, and 4 digits. Okay, what is digits? Digits are the parts of a number. Okay, students, just to think a number in your mind. Just to think a number in your mind. Think. Just you think a number in your mind. Okay, if it is 99, if it is 89, or if it is 50, if it is 1500, or if it is whatever it is, you can just think in your mind. Okay, just after that, how many digits are there in that number? How many digits are there? Just to count it. In my mind, 998 is there. 3 digits are there. 998. 998. 3 digits are there. 8 is in 1st column, 9 is in 10th column, and 9 is in 100th column. 3 digits, 1s, 10s, 100s. And in your mind, which number is there? And just you say how many digits are there, and then you divide like one space, 100 space, and sorry, 1 space, 10 space, and 100 space. Okay. Okay. Okay, students, all of you take first chapter, numbers up to 10,000. Numbers up to 10,000. Here you can see here formation of numbers. Okay, here we know that 101 is formed by adding 1 to 100, and 102 is formed by adding 1 to 101, and so on. In the same way, we can form numbers beyond 999. Here one column is also there. You can see this. Okay. Here how we write in first column. Here it is how we write. There 999 plus 1. 999 plus 1. 999 plus 1. Okay. 999 plus 1. 1 is equal to, what is 999 plus 1? It is very easy. Okay, let's calculate like this. 999 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 is carried forward to the next column. Okay, then 9 plus 1 is 10. Again 1 is carried forward to the next column. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. So this number is 1000. 1000. So how we read this? 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. How we read 1000? Okay, let's write 1000. Okay, 1000. Understood? Okay, next one is 1001 plus 1. 1001 plus 1 is equal to, what is 1001 plus 1? 1001 plus 1 is equal to 1002. 1001 plus 1 is equal to 1002. Write it. Here already given 1002. Here already given 1002. So students, you can see this 1002. All of you read it. Read 1002. Okay. Here one more is there. 1000 plus 1, that is 1001. Read it. 1001. Very good. Okay. Next we can write 1002 plus 1, that is 1002 plus 1 is equal to 1003. Okay, how we read 1003. Okay, 1003. Okay, very good. Okay, like this you can fill this column easily. It's very easy, you can do this. Okay, all of you take next page, page number 12. Okay, here you can see 1000, that is represent like a box. One box is 1000, two boxes are 2000, and three boxes are 3000, four boxes are 4000, five boxes are 5000, six boxes are 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000. Okay, 7000, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000 and 7000. Okay, like this. Okay, then also take exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Okay, here you can see already they filled one column, that is the 6512. 6512. Okay, here. Okay, next one is 8405. 8405. Okay, you can see this 8405. 8405. How you write? 8. First you have to write 8. Here it is 8000. Okay, how many digits are there in 1000? 4 digits. So this number should be the half, or this number have 4 digits. Understood? This number should have 4 digits. Okay. Why? Because 8000 is there. So 1000 means 4 digits. Understood? So 8400. 400. 5. 5 is in 1 place. 400 is 100 place. So there is no 10th place. So let us write 0. Understood? Let's write 0 here. Then 5 last. 8405. Understood? It's very easy. You can do this. Okay, next one. What if you take your textbook? Okay, next one. 2908. 2908. There also you can see 2 2000. 2000. Okay, in 1000 how many digits are there? In 1000 how many digits are there? 4 digits. So there must be 4 digits in 2908. So let us check it. Let us check it. 2908 is equal to 2900. There also you can see after 900 there is no tens column. So there is direct ones column is there. So we can write 2900 after that 0 then 8. Understood? Okay students, this remaining 2 questions are homework. Please do this. Remaining these 2 questions. Okay, here you can see 9835 is there, and question number E 5989 is there. These 2 questions are homework. Please do this. Okay students, let us wind up today's class. See you tomorrow. Stay home, stay safe.